Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log in into your ANZ Bank account. So follow some simple steps with me. Open your web browser and in the search bar, search for ANZ Bank login. And as the search result, you can see on the first option, Login ANZ Internet Banking. Click on it. It will take you to the login portal of ANZ Bank. And over here, to log in into ANZ Internet Banking, enter the customer registration number of your account, and once you do that, enter the password of your account and click on login. You will be logged into your ANZ Bank account. And in case if you guys forgot your login details, you can click here forgot login details to reset it. And if you are new to internet banking, you can click here register to create a new account on ANZ Bank. So this was for this video. Hope you guys understand and find this video helpful. If you did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. And also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you guys for watching.